Hi all, welcome to Anjanaya Academy, Learning German with Ritu. And in A1 series, today we are going to learn the haben verb conjugation, which means to have. Haben verb, okay? So let's move forward. Here, first of all, a good thing, you get everything on one screen. सब चीजें एक screen पे ही हैं. So let's understand. Verb is haben, to have. I will give you time to note down. First understand. पहले understand करेंगे, then I will give you time to note it down. Okay? So, ich is I in German and मैं in Hindi. So what is ich? I in English या फिर मैं या I को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Ich. So I have, ich habe. Ich habe. Three, four times we will speak. Ich habe, ich habe, ich habe, ich habe. Very nice. Every conjugation you have to speak 3, 4 times. Okay. तुम in Hindi, in English formal, इनफॉर्मल यू व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग टू वन पर्सन, जब हम एक इंसान से इनफॉर्मली बात करते हैं, तुम करके बात करते हैं अपने दोस्तों से, अपने सिबलिंग से, व्हेन वी टॉक इनफॉर्मली टू आवर सिबलिंग्स और फ्रेंड्स, वी यूज डू. इट इज नॉट डू, डू. सो यू हैव, डू hast, डू hast. On the other hand, when we talk to our bosses, parents, और relatives, हम कैसे उनसे बात करते हैं? आप क्या लेंगे? आप क्या खाएंगे? आप करके बोलते हैं, right? You formal, singular. So we say Z. In this, S is capital. The third row, we are doing third row, Z. So you have, Sie haben. Sie haben. He, she, it, वह in Hindi. In German, he is er. So, er hat, he has. What do we say she? She को हम बोलेंगे sie, s is small. Sie hat, she has. S is it. S hat, it has. So, er hat, he has. Sie hat, she has. S hat, it has. Okay. So now wir. Plurals we are doing now. Plural is Bahuvachan. Hum sab. We all is wir in German. Wir. W-I-R. Here it is. Fourth row. Fifth row item. Wir. Hum sab. So we have wir haben. Wir haben. Ihr, तुम सब. You all informal. When we are talking to more than one person. जब हम एक इंसान से ज्यादा लोगों से बात करते हैं, what do we say? You all informal. In German, ihr. It is not ihr, ihr. Ihr habt. Butter sound, habt. तुम सबके पास. You all have. Now again, two more Z's, not to be confused. Confused नहीं होना है, आगे clear हो जाएगा सब कुछ in coming lesson plans. So you all formal, यानी कि आप सब, वो सब. You all, they all, both also means Sie in German. So it will be Sie haben. You all have. Again, Sie haben, they all have. It will be clear how to use what in the coming sessions. Okay, don't worry. So now please note it down, pause my video, write everything. Now I'm hoping आप सबने लिख लिया होगा. Now we'll move forward. Few examples. Yes. So ich habe Kopfschmerzen. I have a headache. What do we say headache? Cough is head. So Kopfschmerzen. Kopfschmerzen. Speak after me. सब बोलेंगे. Kopfschmerzen. Kopfschmerzen. Ich habe. I have. With ich के साथ क्या लगेगा? Habe. See? We have learned. I have. Ich habe. Same way. Ich habe. With er. What comes with er? Heart. Er hat mein Buch. He has my book. So with er, heart. See? He has er heart. You can refer it. You have to learn it. Actually, this table. Understood these two examples? Noted down. Then we'll move forward. Another set of examples. Ihr habt Spaß. You all have fun. तुम सब मजे करो. So with ear, what comes? Habt. Ear के साथ में क्या आएगा? Habt. You can refer. Here ear is written. So you all have. You all have. See? Okay. So ihr habt Spaß. Ich habe keine Zeit. I have no time. So with ish, what comes? We have done earlier. हमने पहले भी सीखा है. इश के साथ में क्या आएगा? Habe. Ear के साथ में क्या आएगा? Habt. So don't make mistake. You have to learn it. Ihr habt, ich habe. Zeit is time. It is a noun. जितने भी nouns हैं, they will start with a capital letter. Okay, now another example. Sie hat zwei Kinder. She has two children. These are naughty. They are dancing. So she has two kids. So in this we have to use Z small. S will be small. Since it is typed so S बड़ा आ रहा है, आपको क्या लिखना है? S small. So Z hat zwei Kinder. So Z with Z you will write heart because this Z is she. So with she what comes? Heart. See? I will show it also again to you. With Z what comes? In the fourth row, everyone. With Z, Z heart. She has. Can you see my mouse? She has. So Z heart. Okay. Ich habe Hunger. I have hunger. मुझे भूख लगी है. So hunger is the noun. Note the new words, new nouns that you are learning. जो जो नए नए nouns हैं वो सब note down करेंगे. इश के साथ क्या लगता है? Habe. Another example. I have a watch. Ich habe eine Uhr. It is not your, it is Uhr. Uhr is watch. Uhr is watch. So I have a watch. Videsh, what comes? Habe. मेरे पास घड़ी है. Du hast die Suppe. You have the soup. You have the soup. So soup is the super. 5 times. The super. The super. The super. The super. So with do what comes? Hast. Hast. So ich habe, du hast. You have to change according to the first letter. Okay. Whatever is written before blank, आप उसके according blank fill करोगे. Noted? Okay. Er hat meinen Fußball. Football is Fußball. Fußball. He has my football. So with what comes? Hat. Wir haben Geld. We have money. Geld is noun. Geld. Geld. Money. Pesa. So it should be we have money. It is written they have. So it will be we. Cut it and write we in English translation. दे को कट करके वी लिखेंगे सब. सो वी हैव मनी. हमारे पास पैसा है. सो विद वियर व्हाट कम्स? हाबन. विद एर हार्ट. वियर हाबन. Noted? Now my favorite. It is time for quiz. So I have written some sentences. Translations of some words are in bracket. Do it. You need to fill habe, hast, haben, hart, habt. Okay, out of these you need to fill. Do it. Pause the video and attempt it nicely. अच्छे से करेंगे, कोई जल्दी नहीं है, आराम से करिए, फोकस कर कर. Pause the video. Now, after doing it, here is your answer key. All answers are written. I hope you got 9 on 9, all correct. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching my video. I hope haben verb conjugation is clear to you. In lesson plan 10, I will explain sein verb conjugation also. So keep watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel. Watch all the videos if you want to clear your A1, A2, B1, B2 in German. A2 series are also parallelly being uploaded, wherein you have text and heurens and other things. So please do watch those who are in intermediate or A2 level. Okay.